Now we're going to get into ripping on the table saw. Probably the thing that you'll use it for most, pretty much what it's designed for more than anything else. Now, for ripping, you just set your fence, the distance from the blade that you need. And when you set the blade for height, you want to set it so that the teeth are just coming up above, about halfway between the tip of the tooth and the bottom of the tooth. This is a 1x4 piece of mahogany, which means it's really 3¼ inches by 3½ inches. We're going to rip it down to 3 inches. You set your fence at 3 inches, measuring to the inside of the blade. So, you can see what difference it makes with that vacuum cleaner on there controlling the dust. And here we have perfect 3 inches.